Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to enable sharing Facebook posts to your Instagram story. Let's walk through the process together. Start by opening the Facebook app on your Android device. Tap the three lines located at the top right corner of the screen to access the menu. Next, tap on the settings icon to enter the settings menu. Select Account Center from the options displayed. Then, tap on Sharing Across Profiles to manage your sharing settings. Choose your Instagram account from the list of profiles. Lastly, toggle the switch to turn on the option for your Instagram story. By following these simple steps, you can seamlessly share your Facebook posts to your Instagram story, allowing you to engage your audience across both platforms effectively. Thank you for joining us. We hope this guide has been informative and helpful in showing you how to enable sharing Facebook posts to your Instagram story. Enhance your social media presence by sharing engaging content with your followers. Start sharing your Facebook posts to your Instagram story today for a more interactive and connected online experience.